mega gwe tenena
never stop.
stop wana figi ya gwe iga gwe tenena so wa figi ya gwe iga gwe nuwa ya no wigi yen ide no ga de no do gume dugi na tenena ita mu wa wiga gwe e mata e ita me nefe igagwe bedenena so imawe no gade me no invite waya no gade bedenena we me nefe igagwe me no ge ambassador to Benin culture. Yeah, this me no the ambassador of Benin culture. Ogwana bedenena iwe ni viedo ege amuje do fua uje do emi no eke na muwi uje do emi no eke na aya azakon uje do awe festival ima wa gwe do awe mari gwe no problem, you are welcome. He expect you were precious my ade ya gwe etibata I don't want me gigbe ke gigbe pa I don't want me edene na me agwe wa gugwe o eke iwe tie ma we de awa gwe e mani bun iya ma mi no sie na na gwe upo ade upo ari iri edo era iji ma ado sie mokungbe oba eware ifes no yuji no ramma le mi no je o eke ni iri edo ni ma na emi mara jema ma ro ewepo ni ha ma we feast orebo ma we awe their aya celebrated their death day a just say ti amu egbe we ni won yen ga imu egbe yen do mo egbe eni won yen dress we na re ma ni won aya dress we mi oni ma we ni ma na bi edo ni ma re we mi ni ma re o uji edo ewi igwe na gwe na oni iri na ya de doji na ya dagboji ugare agagwe wo edo po agba ana gwe ne ana gwe ana ga temi na eka emi gwe ni mani buma wi iyama oni ya gwe oni iyamu edo uje edo fwa upo arebi ana agba agba wa gugwe aga ipo ni na igba ne wa na gwo ohun iri ni no se na gwe no mi ri na ya de edoji ni mi ya ma na gba ni ado mi erani we mi na gboto ni oni na te lubi yo ma ba be lubi ye ni amu erani amu egboto na na ya gboto ni wa gu ya gboto aya gbe emi den ya fo agbe pupo are e ba ni ne aga bi erani pa amugbe apari owo aya ko le bewe ewe ni na ikolo na after lubiye na amwera ni fo amweya ya mufo ane we no lubiye agi akolo di owa ari ebewe ari ebewe ni adene owa ko wa na ri ebewe ni la ogoro oru wa ni afian gbe oru wa mi imi afa oraro wa ni ibi edonu wa oni osi e ni malibu ma e no si anagwe agwe bo edoni na na gwe igwe ni emi ya na oni aya miere na ewo ya den no uga mie ebo na man of a religion na culture man of a culture ma fo emi culture do for me na bu mind the meaning of culture culture in microorganism I'm talking about the traditional culture you understand emi ni na oni our culture even ware the origin of this culture is a land always presided by a king. If you no contact but tell me no. While like the definition in dictionary who me have a time away. But if you do, wana mu mi wa we na eje wa na ni ara gwebe o edo. If you do nu wa lao. No ri o ebo o wi yen gwe. Uwa o ma the meaning of igwe. Upo ni ra gba ni. Orie urianyo urioro yawo wa imwene ume okmavi rekokodia ranyo Nido ya uwe. Wakuwe ni ya ni. Waate ni ya. Una we mi ya ni. Wa mi ogogo. Ukbono denu hala. You understand? Emanibu. Iya ma di reason. Emanibu firi igwe. Re. Ebo no. Igwe ebo. Aya dole wo maji. Igwe. Aya emu fure yewo. Unda. Eri dano iterebo ni no iri yabo ni wa. We are no lubiri enu mwe boton lubiri lubi oma babo libiri lubiri omo o lubiri ori abo no lubiri e ma dani ya upole ya kwa ufile kwa ne uwa ifile ya kwa ne uye bewe ori lawa ofure oragu wero edonuwa eno kanyin na medene na ya buwa gwa o eke na de digwe o eke ni viedonuwa ni maya segbe kukugbe na gwe na emuju edofua ma do edo union edo community yo ewebo ave chairman ya wa no ya din ya gwe wo yan iya egwe were osi uwa emi ma dun nanu e but uwe dia the law orewo na uwe dia iya we yan holiday iya me feast ni ya o iya me traditional ni ya o ma egbe yan be gogo but was any where to emi ma na ejema emi na ogbe ise na ena be do tam wa ni bi edo ni ma lao ni ma agwe o eke na miere ibie donuwa ni ma ragwe imere bedene na ni do guwagwa unda meno guwagwa na me gabe gwe uda me o iya agwa be na evito owe oma ọmọ na ebe eme owe ọmọ na gugu na eme wo to ta we ohun eme ebi na gbo na gugu ara agun e o edo ọmọ to ọmọ na agu e awe mi gu e awe na do ya din awe no fure ya ro owa awe na mi ukpo na ala no ma eme na do yo na do kporu ni na nuwa ni biedo neviedo nuwa meki na agwe ebo eyiye esioma yeke ukpomo sano hudua udazi no jagbon no jemi baba uwese ukpona emi danya no te damo mama gbonji no ma oni mete ma edene na ne ya lubiri ugbe bo yari ewe o anyway do gogo la wuwe oni ri na ya de doji na mi emi no mana sunu but why mi o wa ni buna ayigun awe o ayigun ya mufua but evani yana wa bemiko emi we o ma jowe we ma o ne mi we manu we na wo ogo ma be ya manu we wo wa ya manu we emi o ma be ya manu we no we manu we no we manu we no we ma o we ma manu we ma dolo we ji we ya siosi oro o ma be wo ya manu o ma ya dolo mi o ma ji my brother e me na ni atamu wa na o adame yo be ne enwe ne ogie na ya de na mi o ba e ware no ka o ijina no jina iji no ma o eno eviedo wagima na miege na gagwe mana we mi ya maka uwo edo emi no bun no sunu visina na miege evima emima mariye do ya mariye kini ya kekpa ya na ifie were ema edene na ido tami wa mi bun nu walao na digwe wagima kokugbe ni madia musanu dazi na guo uma wo sa westman ukpo na megba ukpo na megba ukpo na megba ukpo wese ma be gue na we akpo musalo do ma we gu ohun ma ni ma ya mu gu me yan igbe ma re na miere ukpo ni ma la ogoro o agui ma ro na me ukpo na ara amu mu me amu pa ware ne ga yin se ke maje apole ya kwa ware pole kwa ware ibi edo nuwa lao na si o mo kukugbe ni ma na ga gue udame ya wawe unwe gebe gwa anwenye nido ya uwe gwa anwenye nuwe gumegu gwa anwenye unwe nula nusume gwa anwenye wanaga we na ya ogogo ga gugwaro menani ame ya be gwele taba wa ya be re ira gwele dene na ya gwo unwe edene na me ni ambassador to Benin culture iragwe the ambassador of Benin culture guwagwana me ragwe edene na it's a very good thing no eke ni maragwe uwa mai no sie na nagwe ene on wa dan yo on dawe emi na ban ijina ke aro but mana fiefwa wawe emonia agbelegbe wa eyan agbina ana awe mi na ya ero pere asunu wa re na nagwe kakabo wa ya na gwe we mi popo mi ma ni na yo pi agbelegbe yan wo edo we ra re ne do ya fie na ya we re bi ma na miere ana we afie we odin destiny na mari agwe ana agbelegbe wa wo edo ana yo pi agbelegbe wa ana yo sigbe da wa ri neru na kana wa mi opo ayan wa gba na awe irima ayan agbelegbe upo adala po mu po irima ayan agbelegbe wo si na ya renu sun ni mama ni do gba o ni viedo nu wa we mi o manu egba na we ke wa ge ma yara we mi na for due to England and no da mi na ma wo si unda ma ya gwe wo edo ogwa ni bun ayi gwe ene da agwo ami o ga to eyara yan but ana fiye we ye awe wana to we no we uje church uwe mi no eke uwe mi no sa ae we mere uri ayo bosa we ya we mi no eke uwe church ulie ke jodo obu wa egbu o mo ọmọ no gisango no golokun no gogun no weni yani ọmọ agbọmọ wa ọmọ si ọmọ diyeke ọmọ nehu dandama eni mase wenu wuwe je church iwa obo adan me agba ori ra ene o imi awe mi wa me bo wa wu me waya we mi no ma o we no emani buni giwa ni bunwe emani buni ba de fo ni ba do fie mi no bu we awe church okay no any man is swear ni ma na ewe na dugie egwe na da we e ba ni na gbe upono de ni ya we gbegbe waya no me nwa no lao ibi edonu wa obi wa dogu wa gun no wa lao na sie mo kokugbe na ra gue wa ra dan yo wa re no ge ya gun o e mo ba iyan ya gue Iviedo waki maragwe nemi marajima orewebo uremesa weto union eto union di chairman wa no ya ni abo different side kon wa mi na few o jina ogwe but ego we do union chairman ugwe udeba do ugwe oviedo ugwe wa ya we mi no eke we agbon ya ma we so wala no rio no nota no kan iyen no mani mure na no lao no gboyo na mi ede igwe na emi dano abi emi si no wala no ko no gun ni ga on inyen no ma no ro we ni do tamu wa na eke na ga gwe do ma eke wa gwa ni be suggestion we do we me opinion we o ma eke na ga gwe weta ni me do eke na ga gwe weta ni me iyo ni e that do give opinion ere be ni me jori me edene na me ga gwe no ire wo state ni jo wi eji wa me ade edene na me wa gwe egogo ja ivi anyo ya po me ga gwe un da we iyo lu po no de no maso po na me na mi ere o ma babe owo o ori ewo no te la mo wa to do ma mi wa neri ya lu bigi edene na aneri ya lu bigi un da we me ga igu edene na ne Allahu dawaro imefaro enika igbaseyo iya mujame ejengbo ejewase ibiwe rera eyado gba aseyo ena tamuwa edonuwa wagima emi mara jema na mere mara gue no nyemera sima ni mara bobo walao ni mara gue na dima edo ya fe ni irisi ni ro wa ni irisi wagi akugbe na wagi ma miere na mere our culture our tradition. I remember when the British came to Benin and in the time of Abraham, it was this period of the festival do ya invade the Benin, the great Benin kingdom, the great empire. That was the great Benin. So, Emanibuma, Emina ni tamuwana, Edonuwa, Wagimaya, Kukugbe, Iguebo, Emidam, Ebenowa, Ukpomosano, Wewe Supo, Nuyamu Emidam, Nuyamu, Nuyamu Emiame, Nuyamu Olo, Nuyamu Aderieke, Nuyamu Yarowawere. Nuya mo ko sisi pa ige wa were o ko gbalegbo pa ige wa were nu wa lao nu wa tuto sanu da si baba upos wa remember when ibu there are a lot of people no opo na empo have fake pastor wa mas gun wa the church ni wa we oyi go wa ya gbe yo pa o we alapopo wa yi go na re is your blessing to take what the baba thing so this is wa so adin opo nu we la nu we no gbe like am se nu dala. Why the reason? Where the reason? What guy? Because even the time we now, no allow. Do I have any opinion? What that why damn him we go na me? No allow. Why I damn you say nenya? Why the reason? If you time we now, if no eke na na go, no allow. What damn you? What go? Why damn you honor? Iye 2 minutes one. Why have damn one now? I can't quit. Onye me ala waba. Edonuwa. Ọ̀rẹ́ náà tó kú ẹ̀.
Bàbá, bọ́wọ́ bàbá. Bàbá. Bàbá rẹ̀ tí a lè jẹ. Màá yá wà á máa. Owó tẹ̀yìn máa ò yóò jẹ.
Kọ̀ ìmọ̀ tó kú ẹ̀ náà. A tó kú bàbá kú ẹ̀. Ẹ̀wọ̀n àrè ló kú ìmẹ̀ kú ẹ̀lẹ̀tẹ̀ náà náà. Ìmọ̀ ayé àkú ẹ̀lẹ̀tẹ̀ náà náà.
Wá wọn fò.
Wà dàmé ikú ẹ̀ náà.
Wá wọn fò.
Àkú ẹ̀. Wà yẹ máa kú ẹ̀.
Àkàlẹ̀ kú ẹ̀. Sọ̀pọ̀nà náà.
Ari hon ebeka. Ari hon ebudo lewa beya fiewebo.
Yo ma agu e tene na.
Eri ono mi me.
Na. Agu e.
Amanoke. Amono eneke.
Mono ene gbe agu e.
Ọjọ́ ẹ̀bùn. Wọ́n fi omi nílà wá.
Ìyá bọ̀dá.
Agu e na.
Ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọ̀nà mẹ́ni lẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ alẹ́ àṣẹ ti kú ẹ. Ẹ̀dọ́ rèé. Bàbá. Gímẹ̀. Ìwú mi gbèsè à. Kàkà bọ́.
Wa da yin wa na. Ike gun akan emi gun ege. Ima agu e.
Ìwú mi gbèsè tàbà mẹ́. Ẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbọ̀n. Àbọ̀ sèbẹ̀ náà nọ yà mẹ́ta. Yíyá yíyá náà fẹ́ nọ yíyá dé. Yíyá dé torí èkó kọjá o. Ìmọ̀ ẹgbẹ̀sẹ̀ sẹ́mẹ̀ sí.
Iyo tati. Wasu nu yi nu na ta lo fian.
Na.
Gbígbó àwẹ̀nyẹ. Àwẹ̀nyẹ. Gbígbó àwẹ̀nyẹ. Àwẹ̀nyẹ. Gbígbó àwẹ̀nyẹ.
Àwẹ̀nyẹ.
Gbígbó àwẹ̀nyẹ. Àwẹ̀nyẹ. Àwẹ̀nyẹ àwẹ̀nyẹ. Àwẹ̀nyẹ. Àwẹ̀nyẹ àwẹ̀nyẹ. Àwẹ̀nyẹ. Àwẹ̀nyẹ àwẹ̀nyẹ. Àwẹ̀nyẹ. Ọ̀gọ̀dọ̀ náà ó dé.
Adonuwa. Tene na. Adonu zomo.
Níwá ìrìnàjò. Ìjà.
Tene na.
Ọgbẹ́ máa rédíò wo.
Sẹ́lọ̀ gbé ẹ̀wò.
Ọgbẹ́ máa rédíò wo.
Sẹ́lọ̀ gbé ẹ̀wò.
Ayé yóò pọ̀.
Sẹ́lọ̀ gbé ẹ̀wò.
Ọgbẹ́ máa rédíò wo.
Sẹ́lọ̀ gbé ẹ̀wò.
Ọgbẹ́ máa rédíò wo.
Sẹ́lọ̀ gbé ẹ̀wò.
Kóògì yín máa mọ̀ rí.
Thank you, my beloved Austin. God bless you, Baba. Sade Bawe. Ogbe Madia o. Ẹ̀wò. Ẹ̀wò. Ẹ̀wò.
Ọgbẹ́ máa rédíò wo.
Sẹ́lọ̀ gbé ẹ̀wò.
Lubidie. Agbóyẹrẹ lubidie. Lubidie o. Ọ̀yà máa mọ́ lubidie. Lubidie. Ọmọ bàbá lubidie.
Edonuwa. Wadami wọn na lubiri. Ọmọ babe. Ọrịa ọgbori ọma. Ọsị ọma rieke. Ọma na ọba ma oge wee webo. Ọma na ọrịa ni iwu wee webo. Eni renu suno eke na agụ ọnwụ. Ule lọsị ihe. Uma sị nọ ihe. Dọsị nọ gbuo ene nọ si wee rieke. Uwa agụ na umi ụgọgọrọ. Ebe ni itama we na uwa we wa ami ụgọgọrọ. Edene na ya tamuwa. Iga itemi igwe na. Unda edene na mega gwe. Ina weta ikpi ani gbo we webo. Ebe ni agụ aka edene na tamuwa na. Ikpia ni gbekpo wewebo. Ikpia na wa ri okwo. Owa agbe be na gbe na mere. Ewe no. Ewo oni magba. Ikpia ni bu yan ro wewebo na. Awo yan ya practice. You understand? But Oma eke. Edene na ni me na were we do toro ni wo. Ya itemi gwe ina tori ikpia ni gbekpo wewebo. Ibi edonu wa edonu zomo. Enaya imyena no palake do mure na. Na mere because iko be one waka down because iwa me yin no bun ni a won kan be de na. But iyori gueni ore do un da na de do. Na de na ya gue. Me no me be gue. No ego vi edo yin o be gue. O be gue na mere edo no furi aredo ogogo aredo no bi agu igi owari yen ibi edonu wa edonu zomo edonu mose emoni mose egbele ebu wala o wagima kugbe na ragu e you understand no furi aro and no pa won yan gon kan na tori gwe na o unda mi yan gwe wa re mi later ya wa gwe rete na ya gwe ohun yawe ori aro ori onba no odolewo osioba. There are a lot of girls and a lot of men ya ye do be gun ebogun na miere no ri owo iyan ibo ona opo yan wa gbere webo ipiani bu wa ro webo na ni ipiani gbowo nuwa lao nuwa kiriwo nuwa igbo nwa wa igbe girlfriend wa nuwa lao niwo na miere na fure no raro ogbowo ozuku gbegbegbe o ma eke ana mero okwo ami aire unu ko emma bo we no pia lao Yave Yobowo, because to rampart to the Benin men, and in general, all of people, our book well, as a women have a kiriwo, the magic book womb. What we do, but women, not see I. I get book and it will. Nebe yuji no bia oniyan ni magba o wo na mere orowodo oya fi owe yo oya re inayana adwa bolukwa at the end onwo wo oriawo olubi nemi noma on lawa. Igi tremi gweni ba aye ba bo ti ma eni ma o pe nebuwa adomo aju ewebo aya mo ese webo ado agbelegbi ma o eni ya imalao na do kirewo iri edo nuzomo nuwalao ni mark change our instincts, our ways of thinking. Na fear we re. Na miere. Ebi ni makau. Ebi no magba ni mau. Ni maigi iwe. Ebi no ma. Na miere no saya wima. Ebi no ramo fure gima wuwa. Ebi no ramo ala oda anima. Ebi no rasiye na miere ni mariobo yo rama anima. Eni o eke ni marao. Emi noma eke ni mayu ni makerewo ni maiwe ni mawe mi noma wow na mene obi work na do guwagwa na mere ogoro no guwero you understand ni mami ogoro egbe mi ni mawo edo mi wa dene na edo nuwa iti guwagwa ni mayala ni ma mwemi yanfua o si na tamuwa so iwe edo nuwa because emani bu iya we no magba no isi adiri ekeniyan because emani bu we no magba wo ewebo imani bi edo ya mo igumari eke emani bu we no magba wo ewebo anami ase gboma yo gbalegbe we wu we die wo na odogwaligo odogwalu mama gbon wo ensie mo ya we no no magba no ya ri we ge ma we bi wa amen. So we bona no meant a culture, the meaning of a culture or tradition or heritage that do away with their culture, because before then Yatamuwa, what is really known as culture and the tradition and its meaning. But a lot of people, if near one, the things is because there are difference between the culture and the tradition. It's like a mesh. I'm not talking about the organism. I'm talking about their culture, the food. We talk about the food or the microorganism. Say no, I'm not doing incubation. No. Basically, I'm talking about what? The tradition and the culture. Even na bi mabia, ni madova, na uji maba. Eni mawu no ga si ala oda onima ni ma bi esun awe una ga awe do ma den do be to ya den upo gba awe magwe upo gba awe we mi ebono rewu we ton we no wo no ebono we ton o ma duwe wu duwe mi mu de won me ate ebo bi oro ma ebo ma bi ya do tonu e do nuwa e do ni risi wala wagimara wemie igwe wagimara gwe wagimara wemi nora john emi nora ufu ma igbere ibi edo ne wae wala wowo emi no mami emi demi da ya eni maji wewebo gi awe prere na is our culture. The Indians have their culture. The Chinese have their culture. Whereas Russia have their culture. Everybody have their culture. Why did you decide to throw away your culture, your tradition? No, it's impossible. Where jerewe eminara ewe au emiyala den edo medo where nu sunu ri adowa. Where nu sunu emi mana den. Where nu sunu undadu we we no de ba we ebi ana ma olike awe mi dan wa ere awe mi na una no se na mu we na e mani buro we o wa ja igwo ebi asem no buno do alori bi ma we bu ana miere emo aye we bo ebi no magba ari o ebi no ta me baba wo adogu ebi no ta mi je wo adodu every tramos family we wado utami uke pare o wa owu disi baba ni do mu wa yo jare ije ni do ye we yo lowo mare ni do mu we bi na o gig ni we mi no manuel but we ri gba ni an we mari we o oni magba nu wa fie o wa we rie na miere na we mi esin inari edogun irabe yebogun. My beloved, I go see talk with pidgin waiting generally talk for those of una we no understand my dialogue, but I want to go into pidgin. For me, those of una we no hear wetin I dey talk about, I dey talk about our culture, the culture and the tradition of Benin. The Benin have a culture, they have a tradition. Today, now our Igwe Day, our festival day, the whole Benin. Today is Benin Festival Day. Where be say all Benin need to do one. All the Benin Union need to celebrate them. But if party day, everybody go on. Your day, you throw where you they see where you are Benin. But you know things about your tradition. No. My dear, make una use una hand, hold una thing. Wetin go favor us for our country. Use your hand, hold your thing. It go favor you. Now what you use your mouth on, that God they give you. If you tell God, say, God, I want to become what you want me to become. Say, God, you pray. Oh, Sanu, oh, Sanu, Dazi. What give me agbon? Ukbo wegba. Eya me ya lubiriye. Àwọn ababe wegbe no lubiriye. All of them go come up for your body, oh, my dear. A lot of our sisters, brother, go they cry. Everybody, no one dey perfect. We all dey hustle for here. But guess things go dey happen to you. With the see Igbo, they go carry their wish day. Those men they celebrate the death day. You know, say na their culture they put, their tradition. On that day you celebrate them with them. What they buy your own, you dey do your own. You throw away your own, but you pick another man religion, another man tradition. You begin to do one. You say your own tradition not be you, my dear. You got it wrong. You hear me? Wetin just important, wetin suppose make your home become a great home. Make your nation become a great nation. Not your way waiting God take bless you. Wey be say now you can't throw away that one where God take bless you. You can't say now another people culture now you can't value. My dear, Allah, you wrong. Value wetin God give you. They say pikin wey say he no value him mama, another person go help am use mama do yeye. First way is not him mama. He said, Papa, another your friend go help you insult am well. My dear, my people, make una value una thing. Now they hear, value use your hand, hold your thing. Is it be like same thing where they talk? It goes to a lot of women. Some of us will say our wife not good for us. Your wife not good. The one way you want to go meet, where see they prepare you, prepare. Not to see they there too. And say the bill. Our men, make we try call our wife, make we follow wetin we get on our culture, our tradition. Make we take our things strong. Make we get joy with wetin God give you. You come Europe, not mean say make you throw away your culture, your tradition. Many of us did this Europe. You say, some say, if you ask them, some give their pikin name, they don't say Larrys, some say Tracy. You don't even get their traditional name. My dear, a lie. You are in a wrong track. Big wrong track. If you born, not throw away your culture, your tradition. Make sure say your tradition be the first. Me, I value my thing. Everybody need to value his culture, our tradition. We need to respect them. As today now, the Benin festival, Igwe, the old Benin. Now, so we dey do am for years. The old Benin, the Igwe festival, now festival where we need to dey celebrate. The Igwe festival, now festival at the end of the year, we go gather our children. Far away, we go begin celebrate like today. Now be the day. Most of our beloved, they throw away the culture. They say the culture is not important. They say our tradition not be in. They say na civilized world. Wetin be civilized world? What lead to civilization? Okay, the white men come your country, give you their culture, come out. But you now, you not come back. As you come back to their, this is your opportunity to let them know you have a culture. Say your tradition, they valuable. Put out to them. Make them see value. Like today, now they go know say yes, the Benin today now their day. The great Oba don't do you. The first after about doing you now, come be today be our own. Why we no go gather our children? Today may we celebrate them. Those of us we call man. For me, I go do my own today. I must celebrate. Now me see me say today I just day because I know say today now I want to tell God. I want to say God. All my enemy go look big. Now they hear me so. Now today now I want to tell God. So my dear, make una value una thing. Voilà. I don't talk on that aspect now. I don't talk based on the tradition and our culture on waiting the happen. Now, I go move further. I'll go further now. I want to expand on other issues where be say, you see make me sit there here. You wanna hear me so? I want to talk concerning on our brothers too. Where be say, even though you the friend woman, you with the girl, no dey gay. During love, now they play for phone. He can't send you a naked picture. Now, if you are the girl not dey gay, you can't go send the naked picture. You can't put them for media, make everybody look am. Or they call you for video with nakedness. Now you can't bring the nakedness picture. You can't bring am, put am for media. My dear, my beloved brother, not be good thing you do. You go think if they do your sister, it go switch you for mad. Abi go dey bitter. Wey be say naked picture. Now love sweetness this girl take send you for WhatsApp. Now sweetness take show you. Why you can't dey publish am? Like that one where they show come out. Pastor publish pastor woman where they publish for everywhere. So my dear, those things it's not called for. That by way publish and it fool itself. Not be good thing. Okay. If you put the nakedness come out for public, everybody come look and say because you not great or you give am give you money like you want to fool am. Not be good thing, my dear. Get am. They say if you point four finger, one finger like this to person, the rest come meet you. Then one day go come to you. Either to your sister or to your children. Either even to you, to the boy. Those things cannot stop her. Boys, when they do that thing for you, you go out with girl. You not going to take it because you send a naked picture or for video, you go publish and come out. That's stupidity. Stupidity. My dear, our beloved people, the Beninese, I want first of all talk to una. General, make una throw away that stupid thing. If girl, you the friend girl, you not too not take send the picture. It don't guarantee you to carry the picture. You not take go choose the nakedness, go they send out to people. You want punishment? You do how you take out to punish the girl? You fool yourself there. You not fool the girl. You only disgrace yourself because that disgrace when you take disgrace yourself, you disgrace yourself. If you say about the evil thing will go before you. You boy where they do that thing. Where be say woman go send you naked picture. After I don't send you, when you are the woman all day, you will carry the naked picture. You will begin the show am. Those boys, I don't want to say today na peaceful day. Whether they say me all party come up for us. Una where they do those things, all the boys where they do those things, make una remove una hand from that evil heart. Make una forget, remember say na person born that girl. Make una remember say that girl if na your sister, they go do am to you, my dear. Make una stop that this thing o. Make una no dey fool una self o. Una here, I beg. I come beg everybody. Everybody, please. Or make una remove una hand for that dirty heart. Wey be say una dey fool una fellow sister, una dey fool una fellow friend because your ex-girlfriend Girl, not be crime. If you friend girl, no one friend you again. He leave you. Me say when you go through and come out. He guarantee you to bring the girl nakedness. He guarantee you to bring the girl. Say you want disgrace the girl. Eh? He guarantee that one. All the boys where they do that here, today na happy day. Next year, yeah, you know why? Yeah, you so much. Yeah, you know what? Na bad thing. This one, I dey tell now, Emma, make una change from those out, make we join hands together, make we get peace for our land. Because today, it was celebration. Lubiriye, Lubiriye, ọmọ bàbá Lubiriye, 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 ọmọ òwú Lubiriye, 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 azen Lubiriye, no riri and everywhere, Lubiriye. Now, that is why today, Igwe Festival need to be honored and need to be celebrated by all Benin men worldwide. Today is the day. Make we join out together. Make we celebrate am. Make we get joy. Make we use this opportunity to pray. Say all those boys wey dey carry naked picture of girls, say their girlfriend, a friend dem, they come take am say if you the girl no dey, you go pop, you go throw away the nakedness, put am for everywhere. Make they use am, make those girls stop am. Make those girls stop am. Make those boys stop am. Now they hear me so. Not carry your fellow sister. You carry the picture. Because the friend you send you picture, you begin the naked throw away and they pass away. It's not good. It's not your good at all. Make una try, my brother. Make una do away with those things. Those things not join. Not be good thing. It not go carry you go forward. You do that thing. The girl where you do, if it swear for you, you know better for you. Don't say na person cause no be person. Now you choose your hand cause. Now you choose your hand cause. You know better for you. Now you choose your hand cause. I dey tell una this thing. Make una try take waiting, think waiting. I tell una so. Make una change una memory, your thought of reason. Try. Remove your hand from those evil acts. Make today be the day. Everybody wey dey Europe may celebrate the joy of Igwe Festival. May joy dey with you, dey with me. Then the joy go dey follow us. Dey go. Una hear? We will allow. May we celebrate the Igwe Festival together today. May we get joy. May those boys where they carry woman nakedness, they go everywhere. May they stop them. It's today as the Benin Festival Day. Today now our day. I'm very joyful. I'm happy. I said today I will do it. I'm going to celebrate it in my home. Today I call on God. Today the joy will remain in my home. So my dear, we cannot change from bad art. Those of us who come Europe, we don't know what to bring them come. No. Our Benis, no. May the Benis show to people say they have great warrior before. May they throw away bad things come up for their hand for Europe. Those fighting, those evil acts. We will move on. We will begin join our hands together. We will get goodness. As today, the Benin Festival Day. Let's do one. Make we celebrate Igwe today. Now joy. Me, I go celebrate her. Anybody who want to join me, come celebrate her today. Make it come. Today now the joyful day. If you don't reach the time, I go celebrate her. When I go see her, when I do the prayer. Because why? And my joy. As I'm a Benin man, I'm proud of my culture. I'm proud of my culture. Okay? As I tell you now, make una dey hear music till I continue more. Putain.
Isa,
Edonuwa. I'm back again. Ina woni tamu wa na ugewe ni makugbe na koko ya bobo. Iguwa vedene na o yen we yan laugi edoguwa down with there ndawe edene na aya ugewe emena the ambassador to Benin culture. Ina we are we no down yo. Imi ugewe na. Okay? Adam yo. So eri yan no edene now. So igawo igbere if you don't know, yeah, and light to our today is our Benin culture. Okay? Well, take care for now.